Hello and welcome to this yoga flow that we can do anytime and anywhere. When you're ready, we're going to begin to come through to an easy seated position. As we arrive in our easy seat, we'll begin to take a gentle little circle, spiral. Imagine circling at the waist. As we circle at the waist, beginning to bring our left hand down towards the earth. Right hand might begin to rise. Take a little bit of a rock and roll here. And eventually we'll take that right hand down, left arm beginning to rise, taking that rock and roll. And both arms beginning to go up overhead, left hand grabbing that right fingertip or wrist. We'll begin to tilt over towards the side, pulling back on that right side. Arms beginning to lift. We'll take a twist, left hand onto that right side, opening up. Exhale, twist. Right hand beginning to lift. Gentle side stretch over towards the side. Beginning to release the hand down, back of that right hand towards the lower back. And now we'll begin to take both arms up overhead, right hand grabbing the left, tilting over towards the right. Beginning to twist right hand onto that left limb. Left hand lifting, going all over to the side. We'll take our left hand behind the body, imagine the back of the hand opening up. And gently releasing, we'll come back through to that circling, spiraling. And eventually rocking and rolling until we come onto all fours. As we come onto all fours, tucking our toes, we'll begin to press and lift, taking the sit bones up and back. And as we come into this downward dog, we'll begin to ripple through to our plank. Taking a bit of a shift and drift here. Rippling back through to our downward dog. Rippling forward through to that plank, shifting this weight into that right side as that left arm lifts. Left arm beginning to come back down, rippling over towards. Back through our center, beginning to lift the sit bones, clarifying our downward dog. And then we'll begin to walk the feet towards the hands. Beginning to shift the weight from one foot to the other. We'll gently begin to press the weight into the feet, taking the arms up. And cactusing, opening up the chest. We'll begin to take the arms up overhead. Left hand grabbing that right hand soft, and we'll go over towards the side, lifting that right heel. And then we'll begin to take a bit of a side dancer as we arrive here. Left hand might drip, right hand to the back of the head. We may begin to take the head over the hips, shift the weight to that left foot. Maybe we grab hold of the right foot. Right hand can lift. You want to take it even further, softening that left knee, letting that right hand go towards the long edge of your mat. And we'll begin to come back through, releasing that right foot behind us. We take the arms back up overhead. Left hand grabbing that right side. We'll take our arms up. Right hand grabbing the left, softly going over towards the right, lifting that left heel. Side dancer. Right hand beginning to drip. Imagine that half heart-like shape. And we can stay maybe back of the hand. Shifting the weight into that right foot as we might grab hold of the left arm, beginning to rise. Maybe we hinge. And the left foot coming back down towards the earth. Curtsy as we take the arms up. Side dancer. Arms beginning to go up towards the sky as that left foot comes to meet. We'll cactus, opening up the chest. Hands beginning to lift. We're going to soften and fold. As we fold, we'll walk our hands forward as we walk our legs back. Beginning to take our right leg up, three-legged. Shifting the weight to the hands, coming to a three-limbed plank. And then three-legged dog. Bending that right knee, we're coming in through to a pigeon, taking that right knee towards our right wrist, sliding that left foot back. We're going to stay proud pigeon for a moment. We'll casually begin to tuck that right toe, left toe even, taking our right leg back, three-legged dog. And downward, shifting the weight to that right side, taking our left leg up. Three-legged plank. Three-legged dog. Rippling so much that that left knee goes towards that left wrist. Sliding to our proud pigeon. I mean, you can always melt in any of these pigeons if you prefer. We'll take the hands down, tucking that right toe, so take our left leg back. And then downward dog. Rippling through to our plank. Rolling onto that right side as we lift our left hand. Coming back through our center, rolling over towards the left. Back through center, beginning to let the sit bones rise. Releasing the knees down towards the earth, coming to sitting on the heels. We're going to take the arms up overhead. Left hand grabbing the right, we'll tilt. Hands might come down. Arms rising, right hand grabbing that left side. Right hand might release. Arms rising, we'll take the hands down and towards the heart. Bowing the head in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. I look forward to seeing you again soon.